Lazy days on mid-July, country Sunday morning, dusty haze on summer highways, sweet magnolia calling. Now and then I find myself thinking of the days when we were walking in the Alabama rain, driving movies Friday night, drinking beer and laughing. Somehow things are always right, just don't know what happened. Now and then I find myself thinking of the days when we were walking in the Alabama rain. We were only kids, but then I never heard it said that kids can't fall in love and feel the same. I can still remember the first time I told you I love you. Dusty haze in mid-July, country summer's evening, weeping willows sang its lullabies and shared its secret. Now and then I find myself thinking of the days when we were walking in the Alabama rain. Walking in the Alabama rain.